JOMOO Pioneering Cleaner Toilet. Breaking the ceiling of clean. Innovative JOMOO Diamond Glaze. Add the rare earth elements into glaze. While ensuring antibacterial and self-cleaning performance, a high frit formulation is pre-fired to induce crystallization, enhancing the fineness and leveling properties of the glaze slurry, and creates the perfect foundation for an ultra-smooth glaze surface. With our advanced 3-layer glaze process, the surface becomes denser and smoother. Its surface roughness is even significantly lower than that of glass ceramics, leaving the glaze with a mirror-like finish, smoother, sleeker, and resistant to staining. Driven by rapid flush technology, powerful flushing, strong thrust, and superior suction working together from start to finish for complete and thorough waste removal. Rimless bowl design without hidden edges, easy to clean, easy to maintain. JOMOO Pioneering Cleaner Toilet. Antibacterial, easy to clean, brilliance that lasts.